Hi all, my name is Erica Plemons and I'm a senior economist with Bright MLS. If you missed our housing market update webinar last week discussing the May statistics as well as economic indicators, you can find the slides and the playback on brightmls.com. If, however, you're looking for the latest statistics, you can find our weekly reports there too. For the week ending June 22nd, the median time to contract was 3 days lower than what we saw in 2024, at 23 days across the Bright MLS service area. The number of new listings and new purchase contracts were fairly similar to last year. However, you'll want to dive deeper into your local trends as this could diverge geographically. I hope everyone has a great week.